Hello. In our 2017 series, you saw how Boss made task management more accountable in many areas, including asset tracking, agile, and software distribution. New for 2018 is our dashboard view of those same process outcomes, and that's the focus of today's demo, automated dashboards. So let's start with the base code list view of Boss, in this case 2 open and 1 accepted request. One primarily player here is the Director of IT, in addition the Human Resource Director, and they both share the same boss, the VP of Finance. The task at hand is a series of software distribution tasks that range from executing end-user license agreements and Microsoft certification of authenticity. So let's go to the dashboard and take a peek. So as you can see, what is shown here are the 2 open requests in the typical list view, and down below is a new format. It's a graphical representation of the same. If we want to go see if there's been any compliance, we come over here to Actions. I happen to know the accept is good, and as I mentioned before, the Director of IT had already accepted this request. If we want to see the details of that, we click over here. And inside of this remarks cell are the 4 subtasks of the software distribution request. So we'll go back up and we'll get out of here, come back to the main, and pretty much this is our new dashboard. And you might say, okay, tidy, everything in one spot. But what is the benefit of this view versus the home page list views where we started? Well, for one, the dashboard acts as an instant pictorial of all current status without having to run a separate reports feature. And second, there is increased flexibility in customizing, filtering, and sharing both batch and real-time status as well. So let's take a peek as to how that's done. We come up here, and for those who would be interested in sharing, there's a couple of ways we do that now. So we'll click. And the easiest here is in the link mode, which is default, and you send a copy of the URL to the clipboard, and that can be shared via email or text with any Boss user. Second, if we come over to the snapshot view, you can get a similar share capability via text or email, but that can also reach out to non-Boss users as well, and it could include various data-driven documents like heat maps or pie charts. So that's the share feature. Over here, there's an ability to customize the range of the status from the timelines and anywhere over the last 5 minutes to the last 5 years and anything in between. And finally, what you can do here is calculate your auto refresh rate, anything from 5 seconds up to a day. And that's what's available over there. So we like to suggest that this is a nice, clear, concise pictorial all in one spot. It enables multiple audiences to see the request status with just a few clicks, and you can do customization and filtering in addition as well. So to wrap it up, we now have a very flexible format that expands usage to a lot more constituents who can now collaborate between departments for substantial upticks in productivity. That's it for today. Please follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook, and thanks for watching.